Alright, so moment of truth. We're gonna have a look at the car and see. Oh my god.
Ew, some blood on Cyclone Alfred, and it's about to hit, and we're probably gonna have another big big floods.
Wagwan.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Yes, man.
It's your girl Maria.
Yeah, Island boy. And
Island boy.
yeah. I think Oshi in the back sleeping as well.
So what are we doing, babe?
We're going for just gonna pick up a little, what you call it, like a little cabinet, you know, for Island draw. Well, to put his clothes in and thing. He has one already, but we're gonna get another one. Yeah, so that's the pre-ment. And quick update, my people. In something has happened. Well, something is about to happen here in this region in New South Wales, the state that we're in.
The Northern Rivers.
Yeah, and what that is that there's a cyclone on its way to New South Wales.
Baby,
you know?
which side? Sorry, darling. Which side is it on?
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's here. Am I right? I really hope I'm right. What the hell? I'm trying to remember where the I'm
driving babe's car, everybody.
Yeah, the petrol.
The petrol.
Yeah. Well, you can tell them about the storm that's coming.
So there's a big cyclone coming by the name of
is it Alfred?
I was going to say Prince Alfred. Alfred, Cyclone Alfred, and it's about to hit, and we're probably going to have another big big floods around this area. It's not our area particularly, but in Lismore and so
on the back windows.
Yeah, so that's what's happening. Just give me a sec, I want to do my hair. Yeah, so guys, there's a big cyclone coming, and Island School is closed indefinitely. Well, not indefinitely, sorry, my bad. Island School closed for Thursday and Friday. It's only Tuesday. Wednesday is optional, but yeah, given the weather situation at the moment, things are just sort of ear by ear at the moment. You know, sometimes the news gets it wrong, and sometimes, you know, all those people that are, you know, working in these fields get it wrong as well. So let's hope there isn't any floods, and not a disastrous one that we had back in 2022.
Oh, Mom, is there...
So let's hope that
Mom,
there's nothing like that. Yeah.
There is floods.
There's no floods.
Yes, there is.
So I was just telling everyone
Mom,
about.
No, it is floods there. Mom, there is.
And have you told them how long was the last time?
Yeah, 2022.
A cyclone haven't came to New South Wales since...
yeah, sorry, 1990.
Yeah, so it's been like 3 decades since the last cyclone in this region. So that shows you. Which is
crazy.
Yeah.
Here, baby, hold the camera.
Yeah, man. So I mean, have you told them about like how people are shopping up? Like,
yeah, the shops are all... Again, the same thing like with COVID. Toilet paper gone, bread gone.
Yeah.
All of that's gone.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So people are actually preparing, and the town of Lismore, I feel like would feel it the worst if it does happen, because it's like known for flooding.
Yeah.
So
let's just hope.
Yeah. Storm is setting in. We are currently in the town of Lismore now, and we've been passing, I didn't get it on camera, but even the car marts and the car where they sell caravans, all of that, everything is gone. Yeah, so people are preparing, they're moving all their cars and things like that. This is the river. Yeah, the water high already, and it's not even raining as yet. About the cars down here, does it flood here?
Yeah, it floods down here. They haven't moved
yet, but maybe they're going to move by tomorrow.
Well, it's supposed to hit Thursday, Friday, guys, so
yeah, and today is Tuesday, so still have like one more day to prepare.
They said Wednesday, but then they moved it to Thursday.
Yeah,
judging by what they say.
houses you all can see were flooded. These are abandoned if you look. Like all the windows are out.
Oh, these guys here at the front, they're moving all their
they're moving their furniture, yeah.
They're getting ready.
So they're packing in the truck.
Packing everything, guys, to make sure. Island, okay, darling, babe, can you help him? He doesn't want the bubble gum anymore.
Good, thank you.
So people are really like getting ready to move, you know.
Yeah, people don't wanna, because a lot of people lost thousands, millions of dollars throughout the last storm that happened in 2022. Oh mad.
Next to where they said?
Because the way of the storm that came in 2022, it was unexpected. No one predicted it. Like,
and you wouldn't believe what's been happening, guys. There is actually now that everything's happened, lots of people have lost their houses and everything, and
squatters.
There's been squatters. That's what I wanted to say.
Yeah, moved into a lot of the abandoned houses.
Yeah.
That's why everyone lost his houses.
Next door to the
Mom.
arrived. 21.
Mommy.
Yeah, all these houses are.
Yeah.
Mom.
Come on, darling.
Oh, look at the sky.
Mom.
Yes.
There's someone goes.
So we are buying this cupboard from someone. So we're at their house right about now.
Right in the gutter.
Right in the gutter. Okay.
Yeah, right.
All right, come on.
It's getting dark now, but we just spoke with the guy that we bought the
Drawers from.
Yeah, and he's telling us about his last experience here, which he had to get rescued from the second floor.
Yeah.
Through his window, the water. He was in there for like an hour and a half, he said, in the water. So it's definitely serious. And
He was saying that they're moving everything, packing up and leaving because they just don't want to chance it, you know?
True, even the neighbors, he's saying, moving out all of their furniture. So people are, look, sandbags over there. I don't know if y'all can see. People have sandbags, so cyclone hitting, that's unreal at this place.
We'll go for a little drive around the shop side. It's a bit more light. This guy doesn't care. He's not bloody sandbagging. That's a stereo guy. I think a lot of people aren't packing up just yet. I think they're waiting it out until tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then they're going to pack up. Like the old fellow we just spoke to, he's packing up tomorrow. He's got a nice boat. I said, "Are you selling the boat?" And he goes, "No." That's what happens when you live close to Queensland. You get these kind of disastrous, but it hasn't happened in
decades.
So how many decades? 3.
3 decades.
Let's have a look here at the shops.
Place look quiet.
Mom, if you jump with your legs up and your hands up, you drop.
It's quite empty, the town. Lots of businesses still have everything in stock. But let's see by tomorrow if that will all change. Let's just imagine all of this that you're looking at was underwater. That's just crazy. So like someone drunk there.
Tomorrow I'm going to go to school and we're going to the Ashes Road. When you cook the ash, put it on your forehead
They just watch
and
us.
make it cross or if you can type on your head or Superman. I want a Superman one. Maybe the Sonic one is
people.
like a
normal so far. I guess not many people have get up and ready to move yet. I guess
People have sandbagged in front of the shop.
some people are taking their chances while some I guess just waiting out. This is the calm before the storm.
Because it's been super windy and rainy, but not like to the point where it's like non-stop rain.
Yeah.
Like the sun will come out, it'll be hot again, and then so forth. Alrighty. On our way back home, I guess, because it's dark now.
Yeah, lower light settings. Oh my god, my people, I know it's low light at the moment, but babe just hit a kangaroo. And
Do you want to go see if it's still alive?
no, that must be unalive right now.
No, it probably isn't, babe. It was a very small
But what can we do about it? We're not gonna.
Can't we ring the animal rescue people?
I don't know about that one, but yeah, I'm gonna see.
So cute, guys.
And it's a smaller one too.
Oh, don't tell me that. It wasn't too small. A good human size.
Oh my
But nah, I feel
god.
bad, man.
That's my first experience with a kangaroo. Hit the car. We're gonna check the damage out after and see how badly the front looks.
Oh my god. My luck, I hit a kangaroo.
That's
and I literally
crazy.
braked, so it just tapped it.
Yeah, it jump right in front of the car.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's
Oh,
alright, so moment of truth. We're gonna have a look at the car and see. Oh my god. It hit out the. Holy shoot. It hit both lights out. Are you serious? The kangaroo and a normal. How does this even place? Holy shoot.
yeah, into the... Is that what he did?
So,
Kangaroo.
seems like this can fit in back here.
Yeah.
That's crazy. It didn't really do a big of a damage, but it hit out both lights. I can't believe it. Oh, this one.
Yeah.
What happened?
Ew, some blood or something.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Sure. They can actually.
They clip on.
Yeah. This car moves.
Look, guys.
Oh yeah, that. What the hell is this? You gotta have to fix it.
Yeah, push it down.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Maybe we can do that tomorrow anyway.
Oh no, it's not. Is it a dent?
Eh?
Is it a dent?
Right.
No, it's not.
No.
Or it is. Is it a dent?
This part now it's not fitting.
Careful, babe. You've probably got blood on your hands from the kangaroo. We were driving, literally with the lights jingling on the ground.
Exactly.
No one said anything to us.
Well, no one would have.
There's a clip thing, no?
Yeah, but this one is not fitting in like the other one.
Oh my god, guys, I feel so
I think
bad.
this one is broken.
Freaking hell. I really do.
Let's just drive home. Is this all open? Oh.
No.
Because if I push this one, that fall out again.
That can easily be dinged out.
Yeah. Oh shit,
I
no.
feel.
seems like the clip for this one has broken or something.
Shiny, so it
It's
must have
not
been
staying.
loose.
The air is broken. What the hell did it do that to hit both lights?
So lesson learned, guys, when you're traveling on Australian roads, please be careful because the kangaroos are little bastards. I can't believe it, guys. Honestly. It's not that damaged or anything. It's easy job to pop the lights back in and fix that little dent there, but honestly, like, it's dangerous. These roads are dangerous. It's not a laughing matter. Well, it was to begin with, but yeah, it's not worth it. Anyways, yeah.
It's not fitting, let's just go.
Is it dangling still?
Yeah, it's broken.
Oh no.